Yes, you can use ChatGPT to create videos and make money on YouTube, faceless, without showing your face. So I'm gonna show you right now, right here. Yeah, in this video I'm showing my face, but then also I have other channels and other social profiles where I don't show my face. I'm gonna show you here right now how to do it. So I'm Ramon Polo from Remotable, and I'm gonna show you right now. That is simple, okay? You had to put the work still, but it's simple to make money on YouTube using ChatGPT, and you don't even need to show your face. The way to do it, I'm going to show you step by step right here on this video, okay? I'm just going to talk to you step by step. Some resources right below in the description, but basically you go and first you need to find the idea, or more like the niche. What niche do you like? What niche do you feel passionate about? So it depends on what you want to do, okay? How you want to monetize your channel, how you want to make money. You want to make money with video views or selling products, or a little bit of both. If you want to make money by selling products with affiliate marketing, for example, where you can get paid a commission, then you can start from the product. You can go to clickbank.com or Digistore24, or if you need a product to sell, there's also some recommendations right below that you can just start selling for 100% commissions. And you can go there and just check out these videos, check out these products, select one product, start with one product, okay, and start creating content about that product. Now, how do you do it with ChatGPT? Very easy. You go to that product, okay, ask for the affiliate link. It's very easy. It's pretty much automated. Most of the products, especially on ClickBank, Digistore, or you can, whatever if you check out some of the resources right below as well, you go to the search page, okay, and you tell ChatGPT to help you create content ideas for that. Very easy. But how do you do it, right? If you have ChatGPT 3.5, if you have the free version, then what you can do is just copy the sales page, okay, copy the text on the sales page and paste it on ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT, give me some ideas about videos that I can create about this product, and this is the information about this product. And it's gonna give you a series of ideas that is gonna start already giving you ideas about, okay, you can talk about this topic, you can talk about this topic. So for example, if you're choosing a video about about losing weight with a shake, for example, right? There's some products over there on ClickBank where you can lose weight by drinking a shake or whatever. It's gonna give you ideas. ChatGPT, you can go right there and check it out. ChatGPT is gonna say maybe, oh, you can make videos about people making shakes, or videos about shakes recipes, or videos about benefits of the shakes, stuff like that, you know. And then from there, you can find videos that are popular about that. And then also you can go to vidIQ and search for that, for keywords specific for that topic as well. Yeah, what I love about vidIQ is that you can do some in-depth keyword research and find keywords by competition, low competition, or by a quality score, which the higher the quality score, the better the keyword is to go after. And then once you have the keyword, the specific keyword, the high quality score and low competition and all that, now vidIQ can give you specific ideas for that as well. There's a section on vidIQ where it gives you ideas, and it's going to give you a list of different ideas. And then within vidIQ, you can search, it's showing you videos related to that keyword, and it's gonna show you what's popular and what not, so you can model after them and make it even better. So very powerful tool. The link is right below as well. Of course, I will get a small commission from there. It's, super cheap tool. There's a free version too, but if you wanna get the paid one, I will make a few bucks from it. Thank you very much if you wanna do it, but yeah, the link is right below. And right now, okay, now that you have the specific ideas, it's good to have a bunch of ideas in advance. That way you know exactly what to do, okay? Now that you have the few ideas already, now how do you do it without showing your face? So if you want to do it fast and with quality, Flicky is a great tool where you can create videos really fast, okay? And you can mix it up with ChatGPT. So Flicky, which is right below as well, I will make a few bucks too if you get it from me, like $8 or something like that if you get the monthly version. But yeah, it's right below. So Flicky is my favorite AI video generator. I tried but there's a bunch of them. Okay, this is my favorite. I think it's the best one by far, and best quality, easier to use, super fast, and they come up with new features every few days. And then with Flicky, you can just give them the idea, okay, the idea that you got from vidIQ or ChatGPT. You can just give them the idea, and the software will create the video from scratch. It's pretty amazing. It creates the script, the voiceover, the scenes, the video footage. Even you can ask them to create AI images for you as well. It creates everything within a few seconds, or a minute, or less than a minute. It puts everything together with captions, voiceover, music. Boom, you have a video there that you can tweak and make it better and all that. And then also what you can do is from the idea that you got on vidIQ, you can get that idea and ask ChatGPT, give me a script for this idea, about this. And then ChatGPT will give you the script, and maybe you can tweak the script and all that, and then you get a script and paste it on Flicky, and you can create a video with the script already, and more precise and all that if you want. And boom, you have a video right there, and it's super easy to edit and tweak if you like. And you can crack up videos like this super fast, and they're high quality, and you don't have to show your face. It's all AI generated. And also what I do too, I mean, I use this tool, but also what I do in one of my channels, I hire people to create the videos for me. So they do their own thing, they use their own tools, they use their own labor and their time and everything, and I just pay them some money for the videos, and then I just post them on my channels. That's what you can do as well if you like. If you want to do a YouTube channel with AI, Flicky I recommend it, or you can do a combination of CapCut. Okay, Flicky will save you a bunch of time, okay, and it's super high quality. But if you have the skills, you can just create your own footage and do it for free or for cheaper with CapCut. CapCut has a paid version, it has a free version as well. You can put footages together right there and do the voiceover with 11 Labs, and 11 Labs will give you the voiceover. You paste the script, but you need to generate the script on ChatGPT, then you paste the script on 11 Labs, and then 11 Labs will give you the voiceover, super high quality voiceover. And then with that, you can just edit it and put it all together on CapCut. CapCut is right below as well if you wanna check it out. I don't have an affiliate link for that, but I use it every day. CapCut I love. Canva is great too. Canva is more for a very short videos and for social posts like that. But yeah, I mean, it can be a good resource for shorts and all that, but no, yeah, for complex videos like that, for longer and more editing and all that, CapCut is the way to go. So yeah, then you just keep rinsing and repeating. You upload a video and optimize it for the keyword that you found, okay? The keyword that you're focusing on, that keyword needs to be on the title, on the description, at least once or twice, and in the tags section. And the tags section of the video, once you upload it, right there, once it's in the process of uploading, you can just use vidIQ, which I love. This I've already been talking to you about. vidIQ will give you the best tags, and it will give you the score for each tag. You can find keywords and all that stuff from there. Or also you can use rapid tags generator. You can Google it, or I can try to put a link right below. It's not an affiliate link or nothing, it's just free for you to use if you want to use it, the rapid tags generator. And that's it. And then you post it, and you keep posting consistently, okay? I would recommend you to do some promotions, some paid promotions, some paid ads to boost activity, to check out really quick how to do it. You can just spend a few bucks. It's gonna save you months of your life, okay? Just spending a few dollars, just spending $30, $40, $50 to push your videos on YouTube, it's gonna save you months and months of your life and struggle. So it's up to you. What do you think is more worth it? Months of your life of the struggles and maybe giving up, or just spending $30, $40, $50 or $100 if it's necessary to check the information right away, getting subscribers, getting likes right away, and getting feedback right away? What do you think is better? It's up to you. You can keep doing that over and over again. But yeah, now there's more to it. If you are more of a visual learner and you want to see the process in a visual manner, there's a tutorial right below, okay? You can just register. It's a free training, okay? It's not a freaking stupid sales pitch that everybody is telling you on YouTube, okay? This is a free training where you are actually gonna learn about YouTube marketing and AI. That's my guarantee. You're gonna learn from this. It's not a stupid pitch. Every YouTuber that you see, they're like, oh yeah, I have my free resources, you can check out my training right below, or like these stupid YouTube ads that are saying, I have the free training, blah blah blah, have the free training, click on the link below, and then you go and it's a sales pitch where they don't show you anything, they don't teach you anything, they're just telling you how great they are and that you need to pay $1,000 to access the training. No, this is guaranteed free training. You're gonna learn from this training that you have right below in the description. Okay, it's a free training about YouTube marketing and AI, and it's more of a tutorial about this. Okay, so you're gonna learn from this training if you're gonna keep learning. If not, you can keep watching my YouTube videos as well. I mean, I'm here to provide value. I'm not here to teach you anything, and this is what I recommend you. Okay, of course, yeah, I mean, you can use the tools right below. I would appreciate it if you use my link, and I can make like $8. I think I made like $8 if you join Fleeky, and then vidIQ is probably less than that. So yeah, I would appreciate it if I can make like $30 from my link. But yeah, other than that, the free training is for you, and that's it. And you can keep watching my videos. I'm Ramon Polo from Remotable. I want to help the world achieve that remote lifestyle. If you want to have the remote lifestyle or have extra income coming in from online as well, that's my mission. So check out right here, like and subscribe, and check out this video right here. This is what YouTube is recommending you.